Hello students, hope that you are fine. Welcome to my geography video tutorial of 8th standard. The chapter is Asia, climate, natural vegetation and wildlife. I have divided this chapter into some parts. So here that previous two videos, one I have described the factors of climate, secondly some parts of the climatic type I have described. Now let's with me, I will describe the rest of the climatic types. Now, I will describe about the temperate desert type. Temperate desert type. This type experience hot summers. First see that what are the regions found here. That these are generally found in this Mongolia. You have seen this? Mongolia and then Gobi Desert. Just beside there, Mongolia, Gobi. I mean this area we have found generally. This area, Mongolia, Gobi Desert, and Gobi Desert is also known as Shamau, which means sand desert. Generally, this area found that the temperate desert. That is the areas experience hot summers and cold winters. Normally, the temperature in winters falls and below the freezing point, and extreme temperature is experiences in these regions. The region under this type of climate are rain shadow, generally rain shadow area. That's why there is less rainfall, and as there is less rainfall, that's why there is desert. And this precipitation means rainfall occurs mostly in the winter times in the form of snow. Next, see what are the natural vegetations found here. Natural vegetations region generally barren. Desert means you have understood generally barren. And windswept means winds are blowing there. Then harsh climatic conditions. Vegetation is sparse. It is mostly consists of scattered tufts of coarse grass and sands. Wildlife. What are the wildlife find here? Mostly lizards, small insects and rodents are found here. Next come tropical desert type of climate. Tropical desert type of climate where we have seen desert and tropical. So this part, that is Saudi Arabia, generally this part, that is Arabian desert, and the desert in here, that is you see that third desert, this part Rajasthan, that is third desert. So these are the tropical desert type of climate. The annual rainfall here are scanty and unreliable because it depends totally on the monsoon. And Aravalli, you know that the low in height, that's why there is Rajasthan, there is desert. So usually very little rainfall occurs in such areas. Humidity is low. Hot summers and cold winters are experienced in this region. In short, we can say that the extreme type of climate we can find here means too hot and too cold. And cloudless skies, then diurnal range of temperature. Diurnal means you know that the difference between one day only. So that is diurnal means one day. Diurnal range of temperature is also very high. The difference that means the difference between day and night temperature is very high, and so that the difference between summers and winters are also will be very high. Next, natural vegetation. Due to the hot and dry climate, vegetation in these areas are very little. The plants like cacti grow in these regions. These leaves are modified into spines, you know, and because of too much evaporation, the leaves are transformed into spines, so that the less evaporation will be there. Many plants grow in these regions that the roots goes deep into the surface of land and they take the water. Wildlife here, asses, horses, camels, then gazelles, mules, lizards, etc. are mainly found in this region. Camel is the most important animal found in this region. They are often known as, everybody what it is called? That is the sheep of the desert, because they are having the ability to carry the people and loads from one place to another, and they across the deserts. Camel are used for desert transportation. Next come Mediterranean type of climate. Where it is found? Mediterranean, this is the Mediterranean Sea. From here, very close to this area is the Mediterranean type of climate. See everyone? So, that this is the area found in Turkey, Syria, Lebanon, and that Jordan, Israel, these areas. So, what type of climate? Hot summers and wet winters. Then rainfall is moderate and occurs only in the winters. Very, very important this one. Everywhere you will see the rainfall generally summers, but this is the difference in Mediterranean. Rainfall in winters and summers are dry, and all the other areas summers rainfall and winters are dry. Remember that. The natural vegetation, these plants of this region have long roots, waxy leaves and thick spongy bark, so that they could survive in the dry period. And that acacia is the found here. Some fruit trees, generally that the chestnut, oak, walnut and olive are grown here. So here remember that is very important, that the olives, orange, so many, these are the special citrus type of fruits are found in this region. Then salt is found, water found in the water and soil. In this region, generally woody plants with evergreen leathery leaves, which one are there to reduce the water loss. These trees means which trees? The waxy type of leaves which one having, that is that we can say that lemon, orange, like these trees. Then next is coming wildlife. Due to the removal of the forest from this area, wildlife is limited, and lizards, wild asses, then sheep, then horses, goats are found here. One thing I have forgot to say you here, one very important point is that is viticulture. What is viticulture? The cultivation of growing crops is called viticulture. Now come with China type of climate. Where this China type of climate is found? That is this area. This area. Here generally this area is, we have seen that eastern, central and eastern, central and eastern. This is central and this is eastern. Central and eastern China with Japan and Korea. See, this is the North Korea and South Korea are the main regions of this type of climate. So now this type of climate generally has found in the hot summers and mild winters, but the temperature in January is very low. Moderate rainfall is experienced in this region, but rainfall in summers is more, and in winters due to the location of the trade winds. The winds prevailing in this area are similar to the monsoon winds, and the temperature in summers varies from 20 degree to 30 degree centigrade, but in winters it is between 5 degree to 15 degree centigrade. Being nearer to the ocean, the climate has less extreme temperature. So now see what are the natural vegetations found in this region. Mixed forest, generally the monsoon and coniferous forest, normally this type are found here. Normally this type of forest are hardwood, broad, and broad-leaf trees are found here. These trees are deciduous trees and shade the leaves. I have told you deciduous and coniferous difference. that shed their leaves only once in a year. The high temperature and appropriate rainfall is found here, and this is that the evergreen trees are also found here: camphor, camellia, pines, bamboo, mulberry, shrubs. These trees are also found here. Next come to the wildlife. The wildlife of this region includes apes, monkeys, parrots, herons, and peacocks, bears, foxes, grey, squirrels, and squirrels, red squirrels, etc. Now start with Manchurian type of climate. This type of climate is found generally in the Laurentian type. It is also called the Laurentian type of climate, and this is the found in the China, northern China, and also this is plains of Manchuria. This part, this is seen that the Manchuria. This is the place, and these are Hokkaido, Honshu, northern part of Japan also are coming in between this region. Then that this region, that what type of climate are found here? Short, dry, and warm summers are found in this region. Rainfall is moderate and occurs in summer only. Then rainfall in the monsoon in nature, and winters are marked by heavy snowfall. Next come the natural vegetation. These thick coniferous forests are found in this region, and hardwood trees, deciduous trees. These trees they shed their leaves once in a year, and these trees in Japan have a thick coniferous forest, and these are oak, fir, pine, spruce, and poplar, then willow, etc. are found in this region. And after that we are coming in the wildlife. Few animals are found here. Bears, foxes, and squirrels are the prominent wildlife found in this region. Next is taiga type of climate. Taiga type of climate is found in the northern latitudes, and this stretches from the Ural Mountains, from this side, Ural Mountain you have seen, that Ural Mountain from here, Ural Mountain to the eastern side, and there the Pacific coast in the west, and it comprises a much part of Russia also, and this region is northern Mongolia also is coming, this part, Mongolian part is coming, and northern Japan, means Hokkaido, this part also is coming here. Generally short warm summers, while long, bitter and severely cold and snowy winters are found, and scanty moderate rainfall, and precipitation occurs in the form of snow. Because this is latitude increases and temperature also decreases. Natural vegetation mostly generally evergreen type of forest and conical shaped trees, because snowfall is there and the shape of the trees are cone shaped. Whenever snow is falling there, then snow is passing through that leaves and no harmful. That's why they are thick needle shaped coniferous trees are found here. Pine, fir, spruce, cedar, larch, etc. are the main trees, and they are used as timber to make ran, paper and pulp, etc. After that coming the wildlife, fur-bearing animals mostly found here, and then mink, sable, squirrel, bear, Arctic fox, etc. are found here. In the eastern part, there are taiga region, the Siberia and Amur tiger is also found here. It is the largest animal in this cat family, and the number of, other than this, a number of animals are also found in this region. The last one is tundra type of climate. Tundra type of climate is found generally in this area near the Arctic Circle, where there is very cold, and the subsoil is permafrost and permanently frozen soil. So climate is subarctic type. Long severe cold in winters and short cool summers are found in this region. Snowfall is frequently frequent in this region, and rainfall is scanty, and extreme coldness or little or no warmth is the main characteristics of this Tundra type of climate. Now next is see what are the main vegetations are found. Vegetations, you have understood that permafrost means what type of forest will be there. There is actually no trees found, but dwarf mosses, lichens, shrubs, grasses, lichens are also stunted trees are found here. And this is also we are saying that is the cool desert. And mostly rainfall is here scanty rainfall, so that's why this is cool weather condition. Because of that, we are saying that is cool desert. Wildlife, if we will see that is the Arctic foxes, marks, oxen, then polar bears, and then walrus, polar dogs, etc. are found in this region. The land animals are thick fur outside and then woolly overcoat to protect themselves from the bitter cold. And with this, I am concluding this video that climate, wildlife and natural vegetation. Hope that it will be helpful for you. Thank you everyone. Have a nice day.